much of what we see in the animal kingdom on this planet is a reflection of the vast animal-like human psyche. Or in other words, ego, the I, the false sense of me, the illusory sense of identity. The real purpose of what it means to be human is to awaken consciousness, to transcend the limitations of our animal nature, to embark on the path of self-realization and spiritual development, which goes far beyond the instinctual drive for survival. Your purpose is to realize the divine nature within yourself.